I want to give you a really quick review of this oil sprayer and pourer. And there was something about it that I noticed that you're going to want to know as well. So the first thing I love about it is it comes in glass, so you're not going to have to worry about the jar absorbing any of the oil or getting any of the scents or smells. You can change out different types of oil you want in here. The top just screws on, so it's a tight fit, but again, you've got the soda straw there that pulls it up. It's gonna reach all the way down to the bottom, so you can use your oil right down to the bottom. I'm gonna get this wipe off now because I got some oil all over it. Super easy to use, okay? It sprays with this little lever here, which I love because you have the option now of just spraying your salad or spraying your pan and not using more oil than you have to. I love that. And if with the little button on the top, you just kind of click it back, you have the option to pour, and you're gonna pour it out. So this does both. You don't have to keep the big cumbersome oil jars on your counter. You don't even have to keep them in your cupboard near your stove. You can store them away until you need to refill this. This is nice enough. I have it sitting out on just my little turntable on my counter. It's easy to grab, it's easy to use. And one thing I have noticed is over time, if I just push this back down, it actually, you can kind of see that this lever has kind of like locked up in that position. And if I just push it down, it kind of jams. So all you need to do is just kind of give this a pull back and then close it. Okay, so it's an amazing kitchen gadget. I use this every single day. It's very durable. Again, it's glass, it's easy to wash, it's easy to use, it looks nice. Grab yours.